A live news or a report the current
Excuse
problem
me.
in their neighborhood.
Start now? Good. Good night, everyone. My name is Sebastian Chavez. Today, I will report on some important issues affecting our neighborhood and share some ideas for solving them. Now, I want to share my thought about the two problems affecting in La Maná, Leslie and traffic accidents. Maybe these problems are connected. For example, in June 2026, Sir Lautaro Medina was 72 years old, died while helping his neighbors clear a road after a landslide. He was trying to help his community, and another landslide hit him. It's heartbreaking. The solution exists: better roads, early warning system, driver education. But from what I see, not enough is being done fast enough. The climate is changing. I believe the government must prioritize these issues. We need to be prepared to stay informed and to report dangerous situations before they become tragedies. Good. Thank you for listening. Oh, before end, this report contains true information. Use it with caution. Thank you.